Exercise 2.12. The resultant of two vectors A and B is perpendicular to the vector A and its magnitude is equal to half of the magnitude of vector B. Calculate the angle between A and B. Now what is given in the problem is resultant vector is perpendicular to A vector. The magnitude of R vector is half of the magnitude of B vector, that is R is equal to B by 2. Now we have to find out theta. We have to what? Find out what? Theta. Now the resultant is given by the formula root of R A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Tan alpha, the direction is given by the formula tan alpha is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Here given alpha is equal to 90 degree. So I can write B sin theta by A plus B cos theta is equal to tan 90 degrees. That is nothing but infinity. Is nothing but what? Infinity. So I can write here B sin theta by infinity is equal to A plus B cos theta. Anything divided by infinity is 0. So what is, can write A plus B cos theta is equal to 0. So what is A? A is equal to minus B cos theta. Now I am going to substitute in R. R is equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So for A square I am going to substitute as B minus B the whole square the cos theta. So here it is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now this can be substituted here. It is root of minus B cos theta the whole square plus B square plus 2 into minus B cos theta into B cos theta. So this can be written as root of B square cos square theta plus B square minus 2B square cos square theta. Okay. So what will you get here? Here you will be getting it as B square cos square theta minus B square cos square theta. That is B square minus B square cos square theta. So this can be written as root of B square into 1 minus cos square theta. So that is B into root of 1 minus cos square theta is what? We can write it like this itself, sin square theta. So that is nothing but what? B sin theta. So this is here R. Now according to the problem R is equal to B by 2. So B by 2 is equal to B sin theta. B and B will get what? Cancel. So sin theta is equal to what? 1 by 2. So theta is equal to how much? 30 degrees. Theta is equal to what? 30 degrees. Now what is the angle between A and B? Angle between A and B is is 180 minus what? Theta. So that is 180 minus 30, which is equal to what? 150 degrees. Which is equal to what? 150 degrees. That is the angle between what? A and B.